Hello, this is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. Today we're going to talk about, in the simple, lamest terms I can think of what an alternator and what is the battery going to do for this car. First and foremost, get yourself a multimeter. I don't care which one you get on the God's green earth. You put it on that symbol right there, which is direct current. Put it on 20. Turn it on. Black goes to black, which is the negative. Red is the positive. So right now we have 12:56. The car is running literally off of this battery. But how in the world is this battery going to keep up with the car running? So you just come right over here. You come to the alternator. The alternator is generating power above 12 volts to keep this vehicle running. As you're turning on the air condition, as you're turning on every different thing you can think of, including all the computers this car needs, the battery must sustain itself. Otherwise, it will just drain itself. There is no getting around it. So the alternator itself is going to compensate by going to 12 to 14 volts. And I'm going to actually start the car for you and let you see. This runs the car. This recharges the battery. It does more than that, but we're just going to keep it simplistic. So now I'm going to hit the key. All right, as you can see, the vehicle is now running. Alternator is putting out. The computer controls how much voltage. Again, the computer is controlling how much voltage is going to come to that battery. The computer is controlling it. And here's your controls, the control side of the alternator. There's another one that has right here, which is going to be directly to the battery. And this is going to be the control side for the computer to tell how much to come over here. But right now, it's running at 1422. Let me get this out of your way. So when you're turning things on, like headlights and all that stuff, I'm gonna come right over here. We're keeping it simplistic. We're not gonna be all fancy and stuff to confuse anybody. I'm turning things on purpose. I'm gonna turn on the air condition. And now I'm gonna turn the air condition on. Fan is full blast inside the car. So the car has to compensate itself. As you can see, it dropped a little bit. That is due. I got the headlights on and everything. And as you can see, the computer is still going to make sure that battery sustains itself. And I'm going to turn everything off that I just turned on. We're going to turn the lights off. We're going to turn off the AC itself. Everything's been cut off, and the alternator should went up, as you can see. This is just a simplistic version of an alternator and a battery hand in hand. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. There will be a Patreon video pretty soon that gets in more in depth. Please hit that like button, keep the algorithm so people can understand. If your car is not starting, it has nothing to do with the alternator. It's going to be the battery or the starter, and then the alternator is going to come on when the car cuts on to charge the battery. Thank you.